Welcome to the world of Arogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Arogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Arogya portal provided to you with Arogya HMIS. Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the OPD Outpatient Department module. The OPD module includes several key features and the first one is UHID registration. Let me show you an example. The fields highlighted in red are mandatory for UHID creation. The system automatically generates a UHID number and you need to fill in the patient's details such as first name, middle name, guardian's name, guardian's relationship, mobile number, email address, ID type, gender, marital status and age. These red highlighted fields must be filled in. Other fields like the emergency contact are optional and can be added if needed. In the empanelment section, you need to specify whether the patient is a cash patient or an empaneled patient. For example, under insurance, if you choose an empanelment type, you can enter the empanelment details here, including the patient's relationship with the empanelment. Once the details are entered, the UHID is created and it will look like this. Now, moving on to the consultation process, which is the second step. Once the UHID is created, you can search for the patient using either the UHID number or the patient's name. For example, I am selecting a patient named Ashutosh Mishra. By clicking on the patient's name, you can proceed with address creation and verification. We have created a separate video for detailed instructions on address creation and verification. Once the patient's UHID details appear, you will find a consultation form with an additional field for the doctor's name. From the list of available doctors, I am selecting Dr. Aditya Singh. When you choose a doctor, the department is automatically assigned. The referred by field is mandatory, where you can select whether the patient was self-referred or referred by someone else. Next, if the patient has any complaints, you can mention them here. Some common complaints like fever are already pre-listed in the system. In this case, I am selecting chest pain as the main complaint. Regarding empanelment, this patient is currently listed as a cash patient, but you can change it to an insurance-based patient such as Aditya Birla Health Insurance if needed. Now, let's talk about charges. Different type of charges such as consultation charges, advance charges, emergency charges, revisit charges and special consultation charges are all predefined in the rate list master. You can select the applicable charge from the list. If you want to apply a discount, you can enter the discount amount and the total amount will be calculated accordingly. Additionally, you can view the patient's consultation history, which shows all previous consultation dates. The UHID balance is also displayed here. Finally, you need to select the payment mode. You can choose cash, UPI, debit card, credit card, or any other available payment mode. Once the payment is made, you can save the receipt by clicking the Save button. A receipt will be generated for the consultation. This covers the second step of the OPD process. We will discuss more details in our next video. Thank you for watching.